Hello, I'm Alan. It's morning where I'm at. The sun's not even up yet. But today we're doing a tea from TeaSource, a Gyokuro. And as I was opening the bag, the look of the leaf impressed me so much that I was just like, okay, I gotta try to taste this before I go to work. Start my day off with this. So the leaf of this is very large, very intact. It's also very even in color. It is impressive, especially when I compare it to the previous three that I tasted. Just by the looks, I would say it's already in line with what Mayleaf's is. So I'm hopeful that it gives me the same kind of experience that Mayleaf's does. So, alright, let's get this going. I gotta go to work, so I no time to waste. So we're doing the 12 grams of leaf to 200 ml. Let's see if I can get it all in. Because I anticipate it will be able to hold up to my intense parameters. So, alright, room temp water. Oh, there's some leaf. I want to get it all. Let's get the timer going. I'm trying to get it all covered. It's actually super floaty. Okay. Alright, and we'll be back in about 13 and a half minutes. So. And we're back, passing 13 and a half minutes of brewing at room temperature water. So let's get ready. Okay. That pot got super filled up. This is going to be, I anticipate, a nice concentrate. Color-wise is a kind of a creamy pale yellow. Well, I can already smell it. Very little particulates, and I imagine it's because it's fuller leaf. There's not as much crumbs in there to slip through the filter. That smells very nice. It's a light aroma, but it's a very nice, lightly steamed spinach. Kind of sweet. It's very thick. I can't. It's difficult to see through it. Just kind of a creamy pale yellow. All right, let's see. Very little foam. There's a few bubbles, but I wouldn't call it foamy bubbles. We'll see what the next steeps do as far as that. But all right, let's get water heating. All right, cheers. Lot of umami. That's ooh. Very thick mouthfeel. I'm getting steamed vegetables. I don't want to say broccoli because it's not. I'm not getting bitterness. Maybe steamed green beans. That is nice. It's kind of a balanced brightness, so it's not astringent. It's not making my mouth tighten up and pucker at all, but it's got a bright flavor. I like that. The aroma, it's something I'm trying to identify. I'm not quite sure the word. All right, let's add a little heat. So 60 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna go for 90 seconds. I'm gonna try to pour gently with the others just in case foam is a feature of Gyokuro. We will find out. All right, so stats, this is from TeaSource. They don't disclose the cultivar or the year, so I don't know if this is a blend or what age, but it looks fresh, it tastes fresh as far as I can tell. So TeaSource, that is something I would like to know. When and what is this? They do on the page say that it, the location is it's near Nissaka, Shizuoka, Japan. So Nissaka is a part of Kakegawa. I am so bad at this. The pronunciations, but it's just a little bit south of Fujita, and so kind of that same area as May Leafs and Dentist Tea. They say that their source is a company that's founded in 1869 in Shizuoka, which Google, the closest one I could tell, indicates that is the Otsuka Tea Manufacturing Company. So I'll research more and find out if there's others that fit that profile, but that's who I'm predicting. Okay, the color's about the same with the little heat, not as green being pulled out, not as much chlorophyll. It's not as thick as I've seen some, but the leaves are very beautiful, very even, beautiful green. Okay, starting to get that defrosting spinach smell. Very sweet, very mild aroma. Okay. Let's get this heating up. We're gonna go to 65. I'm gonna progress my T20. All right, and let's see the taste. It's a little more transparent. It's still very thick though. Anticipate we can get maybe 4 or 5, we'll find out, steeps. But cheers. Interesting. It's very bland already. Just kind of watery. On the back of my tongue, I'm getting some activity. I want to say that might be some bitterness. Just very watery. Like there's very bland on that one. I'm actually super surprised. That was very promising. Alright, we're at 65. Let's see if maybe a little bit more heat can help pull some of that out. So let's just find out. So 65 degrees, we'll go 90 seconds. I've not been seeing a lot of foam, so that's at least more appetizing, but I don't know if it's a feature of what Gyokuro should have. So price-wise, this comes in at 61 cents a gram, which is only 3 cents a gram less than May Leafs. So it is right up there in the expensive range. So $3.66 an ounce. We'll find out how many steeps this can go. That second one was disappointing, actually. Got about 30 more seconds. They did provide a free sample, an Ichab Kariban. I need to learn what that is. I've not heard of that. So it's from Kagoshima. It's a loose leaf packaging. They also provided a catalog, so you can peruse their other offerings. It's a beautiful catalog. Alright, let's see. That's very watery. It's also very transparent. There's not a lot of like fogginess or anything. Whoa, the steamed spinach smell is gone. It's now like overcooked vegetables. So I'm sensing I've probably used it all up already, what it has to offer. Okay, that was the third steep. Progress that. And let's see what the flavor is. As a hopeful, I'm gonna increase the temp again just in case. We're gonna get up to 70, but let's find out. Cheers. No, it just tastes like water. I was so excited for this. I would say it was really only good for the first steep. The second and third ones, it just tastes like water. Ooh, I'm sad. The leaf was beautiful. Oh my goodness, that first one was also delicious. Subtly lacking. It didn't have as much in-your-faceness as what I had experienced with May leaves, but it was competing. And then it did not last long. That second one was already bland, and that third one was just water. So it gives you 2 steeps max. But let's give it a chance to sing one more time. We will drink the encore and see what it has to offer. Cheers. Alright, so there's some flavor again. What I'm feeling is on the back of the tongue, not really anything puckering on the sides. It's more the very back. Ooh. Well, maybe it's just the difference from the excitement I had and anticipation of what I was hoping for that left me disappointed. I'm sorry. The first steep was really nice, but it gave up. It gave up on itself really quickly. It barely handled 2, and 3 was water. Anyway, all right, well, I'll sign off for now and get ready for work. So, well, you have a good day. Take care.